Hi guys, this is Rack and Load, and this is a bit of a behind the scenes stroke setup video of this range time video that I'm going to do. Got a few little toys to play with. First of all, 308 Winchester Remington 700 Tactical. Going to be giving that a bit of a run on my little range here, shooting steels. Got the Mars AK, kind of like an AK variant, UK legal at the moment, subject to change. This is the one that basically you take your shot and then you pull the trigger again and it chambers the next round. So kind of like a lever release, like a Southern Gun lever release, but it's all done on the trigger. Interesting, very interesting. But I say all these guns that I've got here, they'll have separate videos, but this is just a bit of a behind the scenes video, like I said, showing you what I'm up to on this gorgeous day. Perfect day for shooting, although a little hot. I've just had to walk all these steels from my car, which is about 300 meters away. I'm worn out, I'm hot, and it's like 10 o'clock in the morning and it's hot. But anyway, Remington 700 Mars, that's changed in 223. Then we've got the CMMG, that is in 308, straight pull. Again, interesting rifle, a little uncomfortable I think, because it's you've got to obviously chamber the round each time, but it's all on the T-bar rather than a more comfortable cocking lever, so to speak. So it's a little stiff as well. I don't know whether it's just because I've not had my Weetabix or what. More like I'm getting older, I don't know. But it's interesting, it's cool, and it's flipping accurate, really accurate. But just a little bit uncomfortable to use. Don't know whether that's just because I'm lefty. No doubt it probably is. That's usually the problem. And then we've got the new WebTac AR style shotgun. Another Turkish one. Going to be running that. I'm going to set up a running gun for this. So because I'm here on my own and I've got no cameraman. No, don't worry, I haven't sort of used up cameramen or anything. I'm just shooting on my own. So I've got my head cam. I'll put that on and I'll set this camera up sort of strategically. Get some good footage of that. But yeah, let's go sort of set up, and well, I'm pretty much set up, but let's go shoot. Get in. That gong's swinging now, I've got a moving target. This thing is accurate. It's not the most comfortable to cock, but it's accurate. one shot left. Yes! And I've destroyed my gong in the process. Well, I've destroyed the chain anyway. Cool. Bit of gong maintenance needed. Not so much on this one. Let's have some 308 at it and some 223 so far today. We've got another one over here. Over this. Ah, yeah, there we go. I think I shredded the chain on this one. Oh no, it's just come unhooked. That's not a problem. These are taking some punishment today. These gongs are 308 rounds. Going to be having some shotgun rounds at them shortly. Hang on. Some slug. You name it. Want to make these gongs earn the keep. Let's have a look at this one up here. God, it's so much fun shooting steel when they don't break. What's happened to this one? I think it's just come clipped. Let's just put you guys down in 1 second. No problem. It'll live another day. Oh, I think this far one, I have hit the chain. I think. I'll go take a look. Bit of gong maintenance with rack and load. Whew. Let's have a look. This is kind of like behind the scenes of these videos. It's a lot of setup, a lot of hard work setting the stuff up. Right, what's gone on here? Oh man, that is a brand new clip. I only got these yesterday. I've shredded that one. Let's have a look. It'll still work though. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll probably unhook again shortly. But yeah, these AR500 Hardox gongs. These are what I use anyway, as you know if you watch the channel quite a lot. They're just great. They're so safe as well. You know, you wouldn't think it. Shooting metal, you'd think would be the worst thing you can do as far as shooting's concerned. But it really is safe. I don't think I've ever had anything ping back at me, and that goes for shooting 22 LR as well. You know, everything just splats on these steel gongs. You know, I mean they're rated up to 308 Winchester, and it barely puts a pinprick in them. So cracking things, but I just seem to get through chains. Oh, I've got another one here just to rectify. But yeah, that's the only problem. You just, because of the splatter off the round that hits it, you just get a lot of splatter, and it tends to shred the chains or the clips, you know. But they do take a bit of punishment. That's 308 there, guys. 308 there. I mean, it's barely. That looks like a dent, but it isn't. It's actually, it's like a lump of lead on it. But these have had so much thrown at them. These gongs have, you know, pretty good investment. But yeah, having fun Sunday morning in the sun, shooting all sorts of stuff. Check that gong. As you can see here, guys, as I mentioned, I think I'm going to do this as an actual behind the scenes video, rack and load behind the scenes. Like I was saying though, we're shooting the steels, you get a lot of splatter. As you can see down below this one, see where the rounds have actually shredded the ground, you know. So they're really safe, everything just goes straight down pretty much when you hit these gongs, you know. Really, really safe. Like I said, I've never had a problem shooting steel. You've got to be careful, you know, if you're close up, and obviously you need eyes on, which I generally have eyes on anyway when I'm shooting. You know, because I'm left-handed, so I'm usually bolt side of the gun that I'm using. So, but anyway, let's get some more shooting done. Hot. That is cool. That is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Getting the Remy 700 tactical hot, guys. Just put some rounds through that in pretty quick succession. Nailing a gong down there, down range. Where are we? I think it's took some rounds today. Had to re-zero this rifle though. I think for the ammo that I'm using, just crappy plinking ammo really. Nothing special. Just some cheapo privy PPU. It's good for plinking, you know. If I'm doing some serious accuracy testing, then I use some decent stuff, but it's expensive. The decent stuff is expensive, but no, this Remy 700 is pretty damn cool. Well, pretty hot at the minute. I've just burnt myself on the barrel, but that thing is, oh, you can't touch that here. That is hot. But nice little rifle. Nice little rifle. Especially with that vortex on top, you know. Good combination. Good combination. Good stuff. But that thing is hot. That needs to cool down. This is the rubbish bit now then, guys. Collecting all the gongs in and dragging them back to the car on a hot day like this. Ugh. Anyway, hope you like the vid. Catch you later. That's Rack and Load. See ya.